MS Word 2007, Working in Columns. You can split words that contain more than one syllable by using hyphenation. This prevents a lot of space that is left over if a word is too long to fit onto a line. To set the hyphenation function, click on the Page Layout tab. In the Page Setup group, click on the drop-down arrow next to Hyphenation. Choose Automatically Hyphenate Document, so that hyphenation can be applied to your document according to Microsoft Word's default settings. You can also click on Hyphenation Options to open the Hyphenation dialog box, where you can customize the hyphenation settings. The hyphenation zone is the maximum amount of space that Microsoft Word allows between the right-hand margin and a word before it gets hyphenated. Always try to limit the number of consecutive end-of-line hyphens, as it can be distracting when you read a document. Once you've chosen the settings, click OK to close the dialog box. Microsoft Word will then automatically insert the hyphen where it is needed. You can set text in a Word document in columns to make it look more professional. Text that is set in columns flows from top to bottom and then continues to the next column. Section breaks are non-printing dividing lines between sections of a document. To change text in columns, first type out the text, then select the text that you want to convert into columns. Select the Page Layout tab, then click on the drop-down arrow next to Columns in the Page Setup group. Choose the number of columns from the drop-down list or click on More Columns for additional options in the Columns dialog box. You will see the following options in the Columns dialog box. 1. Choose the number of columns. 2. Adjust the column width and spacing between columns. 3. Insert a line between columns. 4. Choose equal column width. And 5. Select the section of text that columns must be applied to. Once you made all the necessary selections, click OK to apply the columns to the selected text. Then close the Columns dialog box. Your selected text is now divided into columns.